Right now, mega-cap tech firms are deploying billions into an aggressive build-at-all-costs AI infrastructure boom, as entire server farms surge to life to meet demand. Everyday investors look at this spending and anchor their expectations entirely to the skyrocketing revenue growth and the flashy new software capabilities hitting the market. But AI infrastructure operates under a different set of rules than traditional real estate or industrial equipment, held and utilized for decades. These server racks are strictly build and replace assets. Behind the massive spending is a strict accounting reality. Leading-edge AI chips lose 20% or more of their economic value every single year. That rapid drop in value does not happen because the hardware physically wears out. The chips are simply being outclassed by relentless technological displacement. The reality of this massive expansion is a high-stakes race against the rapid decay of its own foundation. The hardware cycle in artificial intelligence moves fast. Every 12 to 24 months, manufacturers release new chip generations with massive leaps in processing speed and energy efficiency. Those improvements make older systems too expensive and inefficient to operate competitively. This creates a constant battle inside these tech giants, monetization versus depreciation. This chart illustrates the trap. Every dollar spent on an AI system starts a ticking clock. The asset's hardware value rapidly drops, requiring the company to generate massive enterprise revenue from that specific system before it becomes economically useless. If the revenue line climbs fast enough to overtake the depreciation curve, the gap between them creates a green zone of strong returns. The upfront capital is justified. But if enterprise adoption is slow and the revenue line stalls out beneath the decay curve, the gap turns red. The hardware becomes obsolete before the company can recoup its costs. When that revenue lags, billions of dollars in deployed capital silently transform into dead weight on corporate balance sheets. An AI company's financial survival depends entirely on its ability to outrun the shrinking lifespan of its own hardware. Companies cannot simply pause their capital expenditures to let revenue catch up. Stopping means losing their technological edge to competitors overnight. They're forced to constantly buy the newest, most efficient chip architectures just to maintain their market relevance. Look at how this chart models multiple hardware cycles. The company is forced to take on compounding layers of depreciation. New, massive expenses are piled on top of older, unmonetized assets that are rapidly losing their value. Infrastructure costs, energy bills, and depreciation hit the income statement immediately. Meanwhile, actual enterprise AI revenue crawls upward at a much slower pace. This dynamic forces a severe shift in boardroom behavior. Executives stop asking how fast they can build and start questioning asset utilization rates as they desperately try to defend their profit margins. Because these tech giants are continuously funding replacement infrastructure rather than true expansion, even companies with high top-line growth can suffer from declining profitability. This brings us to a distinct tipping point, the depreciation storm. It hits when multiple mega-cap tech firms simultaneously realize their deployed capital is not producing returns fast enough to outrun its own decay. Because depreciation expenses hit income statements with mathematical certainty, the market reaction is not a gradual slowdown. It triggers a sudden, synchronized pullback. The real-world consequences follow quickly. Data center expansions get deferred, AI hiring freezes, and the market aggressively resets long-term stock valuations downward. A devastating market correction in the AI sector does not require a failure in public demand. It only requires a reset in the return on invested capital. For the everyday investor managing their own portfolio, this means you have to look past the flashy top-line revenue numbers dominating the news. Prioritize companies that prove high hardware utilization rates. Look for organizations that show a clear, disciplined path to generating real returns on the capital they deploy. Keep this rule in mind as you navigate the tech sector. Revenue tells the public story, but depreciation tells the financial truth. By understanding these hidden economic forces, you can stop outsourcing your financial thinking. You can see past the hype, make informed decisions, and build long-term wealth with confidence. Subscribe to Suburban DIY and keep building a life you own.